Yeah, friend. Okay, so everything is fine. Let me know that. Use the chat box. Show the activeness. Okay, na activeness. Learn the things with a full active mind. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now I got the response. Very good. Very good. Very good, Al. Okay, na. So now so method, right? So in the last session I said that key in the future I will not use model and the view, friend. Now from here onward I started, right? I started to take what string only, right? So now, okay, so what is that? So I will make at the rate get mapping, right? Get mapping request. Inside that what I'm taking now, right? So okay, fine. Now okay, now so this is what. After then what is that? Return what is that? What is the GSP page we taken? What the GSP page we are taking now? Here, what is that? Where? Yeah, employee form, right? Spelling mistake is there then. Okay, no problem. Employee form. Okay, now this is our GSP page. Okay, now so let's make the request and we will see that. First we will see that our application is working properly or not. Then we will design that form. Okay, now then we will design it form. Okay, now. Yes. Okay, so yeah, fine. So what is that? Copy this one. I'm going to use the this one. Okay, paste it. MVC slash what is that? So my system becoming too much slow. Yeah, hello, we got it. Okay, now fine. Means our application is started to working as a properly, right? Our application is working properly. So now, okay, come to let's design the our STL form on that only, right? On that only. Okay. So okay. So before that, if we want to use STL, right? If we want to use the STL at the get time only, what we will do now in the last concept, friend. Okay, na last concept, whatever things I explained here. What is that? Model map, right? This object I already explained. Okay, na in the last session. Okay, model map we will take. Model map we will take. After then what is that? What is that? Here inside that. Okay, na inside that what we will do now? Okay, na come here. Okay, na map dot what? Map dot add attribute. Inside that what we will do now? Just we will take the we will take the name in the model attribute. We will use that one. Okay, na so just I'm taking what is that? Employ employee, and here I'm creating one anonymous object. We will return back this anonymous object, right? Here new employee, right? New employee. Okay, so this one. So if we are using what is the STL, then we will write. If we want to write the return the page, right? STL page, we must use this syntax. Then our STL page will be we can see that our STL page. Okay, na then we can see the our Spring Form tag library page. So let's create, right? Let's design this one, right? Let's design this page using what? Using which concept? Our Spring Form tag library. So for that, first what we have need to put this one, right? We have need to this one. So how we can come to again, what is that? Internet, okay na? So what is that? Spring Form tag library. Yeah, copy from here to here. Come to our GSP page and paste on the top of the this page, okay na? I pasted it, okay na? So what is that prefix? R, just I'm going to do now, okay na? Just I'm copying this one, okay na? Because I will write at the front of you people, then you people will understand easily, okay? So we know that if we want to add in our GSP page, what is that? Directive tags are there, right? Tags are there. So for that, what is that, how we are writing that in the GSP? At the rate, what is that? Tag lib, right? Tag lib, okay na? After then another one prefix. So just I'm taking, we can take any prefix, f also, right? But form look like sound is good, okay na? Form. After then we are passing that what? URL. Inside that we are passing this URL, right? So it will load, all tag will inherit in our this page, okay? So now from here let's design this one, okay na? So what is the tag? Form colon, what is the prefix we taken? This one, right? This one, okay? Form colon. After then form colon, what is that? Form, okay na? Form, fine. Our form tag is created, but inside that how many action attribute is there? Action attribute we will take. After then one more tag, what is that? Method, right? Method tag. Another one is what? Model attribute, right? Model attribute, okay na? So but if we make the request, I will show that, okay na? Just I'm writing again here h1, right? h1, okay na? H1, hello, I'm writing this, I'm showing each and everything, friend. Practical, analyze it and see. Here only become expert. And when you people, so here model attribute I taken, right? So previously come to our controller, right? Come to our controller. What I'm going to do now, I'm removing this one, okay now? How we write previously, just like this, I'm writing like this only. I will show what is the problem. What is the problem? If we want to use STL, so we must follow this rule, otherwise we will get what? Error. So okay na? So normally how we this concept previously is working, right? This concept is previously it's working, right? Again I'm running the application, I will show the problem, okay na? See the problem, then resolve the problem here only, okay na? I'm running the application. What I'm going to do now, again I'm making the request, okay na? Previously we got the result like hello, right? In this time we will get error. I'm refreshing that same application because same URL, right? So we will get what? GSP passing error. See that error? Because we are binding model data, right? So it's need object that from the server also object, okay na? Still application is running. Yeah. Yeah, see, we got the internal server error. See, what is that? Tag, like this we are getting the error, right? So let's resolve the same error, we will resolve it. So it, why we are getting? Because we started to we are reading that we are using what is that? STL. So we are STL. Whenever we are using the STL means we are binding this one and our model data, right? Our model data. We are binding our model data, right? We are binding our model data. Please unmute yourself. Someone is unmuted.
Oh,
Please mute. Okay, so what we are doing now, we are binding that, right? So for that, come to controller, right? So how we will bind it? So for that, what is that? I said that if we want to expose our data, right, if we need to expose our data from the controller, what is that? Model map, and we will use map, then we can expose this data, right? So what I'm going to do now, map dot, what is that? Map dot add attribute, right? Map dot add attribute, okay na? So Achilles, what are you doing, man? Okay na? So what is that? So here EMPLOY, whatever name we will give, those name we will pass inside that, what? New. Okay na? New, what is that? Employee, right? New employee. That model data object we will create inside this one. And what is that? We are taking this employee, right? So come on the GSP page and paste inside that model attribute, means we are binding that model controller, right? Model data with what? Our STL form tag library. So now, so still server is running now na. Come here now, refresh it, we will see that our page is successfully. Oh, still. 1 minute, I will run one more time application, same, right? Yeah, I'm stopping the application now, I'm running this one, okay na? No need at the rate model attribute. Model attribute, whenever we will read that this farm data at the time need, okay na? Model attribute. Why we are getting now? One minute, friend. It's going behind our at the rate controller model map dot add attribute employee new employee. It's correct only. It's correct. Why it's giving the error? Don't worry. Little bit patience is need. Okay, na. Sometimes this. Let's clean the project. Clean the project. Okay. It will work. It will work. Now right click, refresh the project. It will work, okay na, don't worry. The code is perfect. I don't know why he is giving the error. Come to GSP. Okay, run the application one more time. MVC slash so. Hmm. Imply 1 minute, 1 minute. Why it's giving? It's going totally. 1 minute, friend. Why it's giving the error? Everything is correct only, but it's still. Model map, I think no. Model map, no. Model map, no. Everything is perfect only, right? Based on this name, what I'm doing now. So the GSP page, this one GSP page is right. So here, whatever we will expose the data based on this one only, we will read the data. Yeah, I'm doing that same only. Nothing is there. This is the too much small things, and the small things is giving the problem. What is this? Little bit patience is need. Okay, don't worry. Oh, friend, our mistake only. Our mistake. I'll tell. Don't worry. I'll tell why we are getting the error. I'll tell. I'll tell. I got the point. Okay, na? Don't worry. So occur parsing the exception. What is that? Servlet. Hmm. Okay, no problem, no problem. I got the point. Okay, na? Don't worry. We got the one experience, right? Okay. I'm sending the request. Okay. Yeah. Fine, fine, fine. Correct only. Okay, na? I know that why we are getting the error. Okay, come, come. You know, so if we are using the Spring STL form tag library, right? We have need to use all attribute because we are sending the data, right? We are sending the data. Okay, na? So what we are doing now? we are sending the total employee object, but inside that employee object, what is that attribute is there, we are not reading the attribute. Because of that we are getting error. Okay na? Because of that we have need to what we have need to create all attributes inside that, because we are binding this model data with the what UI, right? So let's bind that, then error will resolve. Okay na? Then error will resolve. Okay na? So now fine. So what is that? What is that employee name, right? Employee name. Okay na? How we are writing that? Form colon, oh, form colon, what is that? Input, right? Input path. Okay, one thing is completed. Okay na? Another one more is there. What is that? What is that? Employ, employee. After then what is that? Another one is what? Another one is what? Come to model, what is that? Model, what is that? Employee emp password, right? Emp password is there. Okay, so what is that? Employee password. Okay na? What is that? Form colon, what is that? Password. Okay, so now, okay, another one is what? Another one is what? Employee, what is that? Model data, what is the model? Emp gender. So we have need to take radio, right? Form colon radio button. Okay, so here what is that? Value, we will give the value mail. Okay, another one more radio button we will take. What is that? Form colon, what is that? Radio. Okay, so after then another one more, what is that? Value female. Okay, yeah. Yes. After then what is that? Come to model, right? Come to model. Which field is there? Address, text area. So how we can design it? How we can design this one? What? Employee address. Employee address, right? What is that? Form colon text area, right? Okay. Form colon text area. Okay, this one also completed now. Okay, so another also there, another also is there, right? Another one also is there. Which one is there? Another one also there. What is that? What is that? Country, right? Country will be select box, right? Select box. So come here. Okay, so what is that? Employee, what is that? Country. Employee country, right? Form colon select. Form colon select, right? Form colon select. After then what is that? Option. Form colon option. Friend, give the 2 to 3 countries name. I will put those countries name inside this one. Use the chat box and put that. Select India, 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 Nigeria. Yeah, this three, this much. Okay, that is enough. Okay. After then, what is that? After then, what is that? Um, uh, Language, employee language. What is that? Farm colon, farm colon. What is that? Checkbox, right? Checkbox. One checkbox, Hindi. One checkbox, Hindi. Here value. I'm taking value Hindi. Another one more. I will take one more. What is that? Farm colon checkbox value equal to English. English, right? English. English. After then, what is that? Farm colon checkbox. Checkbox value equal to uh, Telugu. Okay, these three language. Okay, that's it. After then, what is that? We will submit button. Normal. How we are writing in the HTML, that is the same here also. Type equal to submit. Value equal to value equal to. Okay, so now, so after then, what is that in the path? What we will pass in the path? What we will pass it come in the model class, right? What is that? This attribute we will pass inside that what? Inside this path. Okay, na? Employee name. Okay. After then, what is that? Come here. Okay, na? PWD. Copy this one, and paste inside that. What is that? Employee password. Okay, fine. Paste it inside that one. After then, what is that? Come to what is that? Employee gender is there. Copy this one. Come to here. What is that? Employee gender radio button. Path male also same and female also same. We have need to pass it. Okay. After then, what is that? Come here. Come here. Employee address. Copy this one. Okay. Inside the double colon. Okay, so and now employee address we pass it. Okay, after then what is that? Come here. Employee country is there, right? Employee country, come to here. Come to here. What is that? Come to here. Employee country, paste it, right? Paste it. Employee country in the selection. Okay, na? After then what is that? Check boxes is there, right? Check boxes is there. Okay, okay. Employee name is out of. Oh, oh yeah. Thank you so much. Copy this one and paste here. Yeah, fine. Now, come to here, right? Come to here. Last one is what? Employee language. Okay, na? Employee language. Come to GSP page. After then, what is that? What is that inside that path? Here what is that? Here also, right? Here also. Okay, so now fine. So the things is binded now. Okay na, the thing is binded now. Okay na, so let's again run the application. Let's run the application. Okay, model attribute employee. Okay, okay, so now let's run the application and see that things. Okay, still same. Why we are getting this error? I don't know. 1 minute. From here the things is correct. Okay. The problem is there in the GSP page. What we are doing the mistake. Here form is closed also. The thing is coming. Simon processing. 1 minute. Okay na? 1 minute. 1 minute, friend. Is I don't know why is giving the everything is perfect only. Action path. Why still no need, right? Action path for the another method we have need. Whenever we will click the register button at the time action path need. That time action path need. Okay. See the same thing, same tag is there, but still no need. Okay, na I'm confident with the give action path in the GSP. Still we are not using the submit button, right? So no need. Okay, sometimes these things happen. Okay, na don't worry about that. Some GSP parts. Because the thing is correct only. Everything is perfect. Why it's giving the error? 1 minute. One more time. Let's run the application. Yes, I think we have need to restart our ID. Okay, na? We have need to restart our ID one time. Okay, na? Then it will work because the thing is correct only. Why is it giving the error? I don't know. Okay, here I'm taking the employee. But whatever we will take here, right? Add attribute. This one also correct only. Map dot. What is that? Add attribute. Same thing. That's a perfect, but it's still one time I used this concept in another application also for my sake only, right? I will see that that application is working or not. See, okay, 1 minute. I will run this application and I will see this one is working or not. Same concept. See how I'm sending the data here also. Same things I used in the another application also. It's not meaning that key, but still, why I'm getting this issue here? I don't know. Now what is that? MVC slash SHO. No, yeah, here it's working now. Okay, here this one is working perfectly. Something is there in the project only, application only error. In the GSP, what I did mistake, some problem is there. No, this application, right? Yeah, this employee form is there. Okay, same concept. Why is it giving 1 minute?